And quantum physics is not just a tool for us to understand the greenhouse effect, but it also means that we can describe the interactions between light and matter and therefore build technologies that can actually address these questions of the increasing CO2 and how we can reduce that effect. So remember the photoelectric effect? Well, if we look at what's actually happening, you have incoming light, which has been converted into electricity. That is, of course, the principle of the solar cell. And because we have a theory of quantum physics to explain this effect, we can actually describe and calculate the energy structures of different materials. And using those energy structures, we can build better solar cells more efficiently and for a lower cost. Because remember, we have an energy source that is producing gigawatts of power in the sky. Even though we don't get all of that energy on Earth, the amount we get, if we tap into just 1% of that, we would easily cover all of our energy needs. And we have the technology to do it today. And we can not just access all that energy, we can also think about ways of reducing our energy use. And there, too, quantum physics gives us solutions. So, for example, 20% of the energy that we use today is used for lighting, just making light bulbs. And one of the newest types of lighting that is getting more and more used around the world is LEDs, light-emitting diodes. These also are quantum devices because, again, we know that different materials have different amounts of energies that they can emit. So we can control that so that we can build emitters of light that are energy efficient and can emit in any different color. It's actually quite challenging to be able to make LEDs of different colors. In fact, in the 2014, the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded for the invention of the blue LED. And this was a huge advance because it meant that we could now design LEDs that can produce white light efficiently and are much more energy savings than regular light bulbs. They are able to operate at energy levels that are 5% of current regular light bulbs. So it's a game changer.